A brilliant way to push your kids even further with their software development is to start pushing into the realms of hardware. And a really brilliant piece of kit that has come available in the last few years is the Raspberry Pi. So the Raspberry Pi is essentially a tiny computer about the size of a credit card, like you can see on the screen there. It has USB ports, it has HDMI cable to connect to television or to monitors, it has an Ethernet port to connect to a network, and it really is a full computer in a tiny package. And the best part of all is it only costs $35. So this makes it a really popular piece of hardware for use in schools, for project and hobby clubs and computer clubs. And the possibilities to what kids can create with this and their software development skills really is limitless. So to take a look at what the Raspberry Pi can do and where you can purchase one or find some online, take a look at raspberrypi.org, and that has pretty much everything you need to get started with a Raspberry Pi. It gives you the software to install on the device itself, it gives you guides and forums where you can talk to other people who are developing hardware and software projects with the device, and it really is so cool what kids are able to create in such a short space of time, and it's really impressive to see the merge of software and hardware coming together. To give you a little example of the types of projects that you can create with the Raspberry Pi, here's 10 really cool projects from Lifehacker. We can see people using the Raspberry Pi as music streaming services, to create their own very cheap computer for the home, using it to read tweets out aloud, web servers, to take photographs, all sorts of home automation tasks. So you can really see the possibilities are endless with this type of device. And what's so great about it is that kids can use their skills to build projects which are completely unique, to solve their own problems and really give purpose to their programming.